Hey friends, welcome back to Llamamakayla's Yarn Tube. So today I need to clean my desk. So I thought I would bring you along with me so I would have company while I'm cleaning my desk today. It is a mess. And the thing about it, once I clean my desk off, it will be back like this in like a day. Because that's how I work. Crazy. So anyway, I have yarns here that has just gotten piled up on my desk. And I have a tote box down here. I have a tote box here. And then I have a little basket for smaller items that I'm just going to put things in and then put them away from there. I've been using that Ogo. I'm not sure what that is. It was connected to some brown yarn and I needed to use that yarn, and so I cut it off, and I'll see if I can figure it out. This is going to be a video soon. Soon. Puppy dog ears. There's all my crazy little notes where I write down things. Okay, friends, I know that I still have a pile of stuff right here, but it is stuff I'm currently working on. I did get the yarn removed that I am not currently using, and so these are projects that I am close to being finished with. This just needs to be put together. This is that witch gnome. I need to add the legs. This is that large Llama cat that I'm making for Dakota. I need to get back to work on it and work on it in between projects. This is the green for the witch legs. This is some things that just need to be put together. Like I've got the pieces made. I just got to put them together. This is for our video. This is the book for the Llama cat and the book for the witch gnome. So I need to keep those out. These books can be put away for now, which I'll probably grab them right back out. So I still have a little collection here, but it's projects that are nearly completed and that I need to continue to work on. If I put them away, out of sight, out of mind, so they need to stay here. I need to kind of put a, yeah, Elijah, could you hand me one of those boxes on the back side of the piano? I do have a box I can put those in to make that look a little neater. This is a dog that I'm working on, so I'm going to start back working on it. Right on the back side of the piano, yeah, look. You'll see what I'm talking about if you look. Yeah, hand me one of those. Can you open it? Oh no. Thank you. Get these boxes from Dollar Tree. They're now $1.25. Sometimes they do have a strong little odor to them. This one's not so bad. So that kind of keeps that a little bit contained. Alright guys, I am going to let you get going because I am about to do something else. And I'll see you all again soon. Bye friends.